Welcome back, everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to delete your Snapchat account in 2021. Now, if you want to not use Snapchat ever again, then this is probably what you want to do, but you can always delete the app. You can always log out of Snapchat. You don't necessarily have to delete your account. So you can just, hold down on it and remove the app. But if you want to fully delete it and you don't want anything to do with it anymore, this will delete your friends list, your photos that are saved, and all that stuff. So keep that in mind. I would recommend backing up as much stuff as you can. But if you're already familiar with it, then this is exactly the process. So what you want to do is you want to make your way either on your phone or on a web browser of some sort, and you want to click the first link down in the description. This is Snapchat's account website. If it somehow forwards you to snapchat.com or Snapchat, the app, then go back and go back to this website, or you can Google manage my account Snapchat. It will take you here too. Now, once you go ahead and click on it for the first time, it's probably going to tell you to log in. I've already logged in, so you can pause the video and log in if it already prompts you to do so. Now, once you're on this specific website, what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see delete my account, which is right there. So it's like pretty far down on the options list. It's the third down or the third one from the top or whatever. So what you want to do is you want to, as normally, click on delete my account right there. And as you can see, it does prompt me to go ahead and log in, so I'm going to go ahead and do so. And so once you go ahead and do that, what it's going to tell you is going to say delete account. It's going to say, oh, snap, you're leaving us, whatever. I can't read from this angle. But it's pretty much going to tell you a bunch of different things. It's going to delete all that stuff. But it's also going to say, it says your account will be deactivated, which means friends won't be able to connect with you. He said after 30, and then it also says after 30 days, your account will be deleted. So you still have up until now, 30 days later, to actually get your account back. So it says in order for you to do that, all you have to do is just log back into Snapchat and pretty much your stuff will be there. So if you want to fully delete it from your phone and never use Snapchat ever again, and it basically won't, allow you to use it. But if you do for some reason log back into Snapchat, within the next 30 days, it's just not going to delete your account. It's still going to keep your account open. Even if you just, randomly just go back into it to check something and go back out, it's going to keep your account open until you go back in this page, delete it, and then not use it for 30 days. So that's pretty much what to do. You type in your password here, you click continue, and it'll pretty much fully delete your account. At this point, all you really have to do is just not use Snapchat for the next 30 days, and then your account will be fully deleted. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.